Apple Watch wakes me up in the morning, sets me reminders when I need them, keeps me connected with my loved ones, tracks my workouts, lets me pay on the go. It gets me places, gets me motivated, not only exercising, but actually moving more, and simply reminds me to live a healthier life. Generation after generation, Apple Watch has matured so much over the years and has nailed every single aspect of the device. Apple has found why people love it and why people think it's useful. This is the Apple Watch Series 6 and this is my review. Apple Watch Series 6 comes in two different sizes, 40mm and 44mm, same design but two new colors, red and blue. This is the product red and it is very flashy. It's for those type of people that simply want to stand out. And we also get a new blue, as I said. Very discreet, good looking, and can easily match your outfit. The Apple Watch Series 5 brought us an always on display, which meant that the display actually never turned on. The display was always on, so you wouldn't have to do this every single time whenever you wanted to just look at the time, for example. And now with the Series 6, the always on display is up to 2 times brighter outside. I really noticed this outside. I went on a hike and I was like, wow, the always on display feels like the display is actually on. Like, it doesn't feel like an always on display anymore, which is awesome. The S6 chip also offers efficiency with the battery. You can now charge your watch from 0 to 100 in an hour and 30 minutes. It's definitely a great improvement, but I feel like Apple could really improve this a lot more. I wish my Apple Watch would charge from 0 to 100 in 30 minutes. Like this, it would be even better for sleep tracking. But in an hour and 30 minutes, it's already good for sleep tracking. You could just charge it while you're eating dinner, for example, and then you can wear your Apple Watch while sleep tracking if that's something that you like.
Baby, don't move now. Baby, don't move. You gotta stand still right now, where I can see you. There's a feeling in my heart so strange.
Yes, the Series 6 can now measure your blood oxygen level. Okay, so I talked to a doctor about the Apple Watch including blood oxygen, built into the actual watch. And here's what they said. The watch will give you a number, a percentage of the amount of oxygen that your blood cells have. He said that when you work out, the number will go down a tiny bit, but it definitely shouldn't go under 95. He said, of course, it all depends on the age. A 20-year-old won't have the same blood oxygen as an 80-year-old. I tracked the blood oxygen with the Apple Watch to my grandma, and she was getting around a 93. The doctor specifically said this: if you're under 90%, you should probably go to the hospital because something's up with you. So I hope all of you are more than 95%, depending on the age, 93%. Hopefully you guys are all safe. I mean, I love you guys. I want you all to be safe. Apple Watch Series 6 also has watchOS 7, which brings some amazing new features. Hand washing feature. Whenever you get home, the Apple Watch will remind you to wash your hands, which is specifically very useful in these crazy times in COVID. Also, when you're washing your hands, it will set a 20-second timer, which is the amount of time that you should be washing your hands. We got a bunch of new watch faces, including the Typograph watch face, Memoji, the GMT, which looks absolutely beautiful, Chronograph Pro, my personal favorite, the Count Up watch face, which looks like a Rolex. watchOS 7 makes the Apple Watch very customizable, but if you even want to make it more customizable, I totally recommend today's sponsor, which is the Vegan Loop. The Vegan Loop is a leather Apple Watch band that it is 100% animal cruelty free, 100% vegan. The band actually feels like leather, but it actually isn't, and it's not those type of bands that you just find and it looks like, like fake leather. This actually feels like leather. Like, you just have to touch it and feel it in your hands to, you will not believe that this is actual leather. So if you guys are interested in the Vegan Loop, links are in the description. There is a discount code. There's a bunch of different colors. It's awesome. So the final rating that I'm going to give the Apple Watch Series 6 is one that I don't do very often. I'm going to give the Apple Watch Series 6 a 5 out of 5 lemons. It's one of the most mature products that Apple has ever made. Apple is so ahead of the smartwatch market that there is no real competition anymore. Apple doesn't have pressure to add a bunch of new features inside of every single generation. So Is the Apple Watch Series 6 worth it if you're coming from an Apple Watch Series 5? Probably not. But does it need to?